Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
So, before we start, do you remember what did we talk about last class? Friends. Yes, we talked about good things friends do and bad things friends do. Yeah. So today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Today we're doing a review of everything we've talked about before today. But before we do that, I want to do a short warm-up. I want to do some tongue twisters together. Do you know what a tongue twister is?
I don't know.
A tongue twister is something that's difficult to say, but good to practice speaking. So, twist. Tongue. So, first one, let's look at this together. So, everyone after me. Okay, so, the 33 thieves.
The 33 thieves.
Okay, good. Thought that they thrilled.
Thought that they thrilled.
The throne throughout Thursday.
The throne throughout Thursday.
Okay, so let's try the first two parts together. So, after me. The 33 thieves thought that they thrilled.
The 33 thieves thought that they thrilled.
Good. All right. Let's try that one more time. The 33 thieves thought that they thrilled.
The 33 thieves thought that they thrilled.
All right. Now, all of it together this time after me. The 33 thieves thought that they thrilled the throne throughout Thursday.
The 33 thieves thought that they thrilled the throne throughout Thursday.
Very good. So, now we're going to try and do this a little bit faster this time. A little bit faster. The 33 thieves thought that they thrilled the throne throughout Thursday.
The 33 thieves thought that they thrilled the throne throughout Thursday.
Not bad, not bad. Some people had some small problems. Okay, one more time. Really fast this time though. After me. The 33 thieves thought that they thrilled the throne throughout Thursday.
The 33 thieves thought that they thrilled the throne throughout Thursday.
Very good. Excellent. I'm so proud. Okay, good job. All right. Next one. How much wood?
How much wood?
Would a woodchuck chuck?
Would a woodchuck chuck?
That's a woodchuck.
Wow.
Small animal. So, how much wood would a woodchuck chuck?
How much wood would a woodchuck chuck?
If a woodchuck could chuck wood.
If a woodchuck could chuck wood.
Okay, so let's try it all together this time. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
Okay, now we're going to try it a little bit faster this time. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
Alright, good. Now, faster this time. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
Some problems here? Okay. We're going to try it much faster this time. Guys in the back? Hello? Yeah. Alright. Much faster this time. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Not bad, not bad. Alright, now the last one I want to show you, I want you to remember this one, maybe write it down, and practice this last one in your own time. So this is a short one, easy to remember, but very difficult to say. So, everyone, listen one time, and then we'll try it together. So, listen. Truly rural, roaring lions. So everyone after me. Truly rural, roaring lions. One time all together.
Truly rural, roaring lions.
Yes. This one is much more difficult than the other ones, even though it's much shorter, because the sounds are very similar. But this is very good practice for learning R and L. Truly rural, roaring lions.
Truly rural, roaring lions.
One thing that you'll feel when you're saying it, roar. When you say R, so your tongue is down. But with L, your tongue touches the top of your mouth. So roar. So truly rural, roaring lions. Alright, practice this one in your free time. Try to practice it a little bit every day. Okay, good job, excellent. But now, we're going to talk about our review of chapters 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the first part of our review is talking and sharing. This was a long time ago, so maybe it's hard to remember. But the first 2 classes we had, we talked about conversations and personal information. So, when we talk about conversations, does anyone remember what's one reason why we have conversations?
Information.
Yeah. Getting information, yeah. What else? So getting information. So, let me start by asking, what are 3 examples for personal information or conversations? Silver, please.
Age, address, and religion.
Age, address, and religion. Very good. Thank you. Okay. Address and religion. All right. Sunny. Sunny, what do you think? What are 3 examples of personality or descriptions?
Personality.
Humorous, honest, and warm-hearted. Those are some good personality traits. Thank you. All right. Next, Ocean. What do you think? What are some examples of hobbies, sports, and exercise?
Swimming.
Basketball, soccer, and swimming. Okay, and what do you know? What's another name for soccer? Football, yes. Thank you very much. All right, and for the last one, Vicky. What do you think? What are some things that family and friends do together? Chatting? Shopping? Huh? Playing what? Playing sports together. Okay. All right. Thank you. Excellent. Okay. so those are some good examples of the different categories we talked about before. So what I'd like to do now is something a little bit different. Working on your own, so not in your group, just one person working alone. Make one question for each category. So one question for each one. So one question for personal information and conversation. One question for personality and descriptions. One question for hobbies, sports, and exercise. And one question for family and friends. So example, how many people are in your family? Simple example. So you need to make 4 questions all together. 4 questions. One for each group. So for this, again, we'll take about 4 minutes. We'll take 4 minutes. But work on your own, not with a partner this time. So we'll take 4 minutes. If you have any questions, please ask. Let me give some of your examples. So if I call on you, please tell me all of your questions, all 4 of your questions. So, let's see. First, Elaine. So, your 4 questions.
When is your birthday? What do you think about your roommate? What's your favorite hobby? Who's your best friend?
Okay, very good. Excellent. Very good questions for finding out some information. Let's see. Next, Belle.
What's our major? What's the words to describe yourself? What's your favorite sport? Who is your best friend?
Okay, all right, excellent. Yeah, I think a lot of people want to know about your best friend. That's something people ask about a lot. All right, let's see. Carrie.
我也知道，我是属于新加坡的面，我小时候有点像是他的时候，我是属于女娲也是一个样子。
Okay, very good, excellent. Yeah, I think that last one, you can use that to find out about their friends and about their personality and maybe even about their hobbies. Excellent question. All right, last one, fish. Fish.
What's your phone number? What does he look like? What's your favorite exercise? When you are in trouble, what does your friends do?
Okay, excellent question. Very good, yeah. So, everyone has 4 questions, and from listening to your questions, these are some interesting ideas. So what I'd like you to do now, because some of these questions maybe you know the answer from people in here, but some maybe you don't. So what I'd like you to do now, using your 4 questions, we will have some short interviews, but you need to interview 2 people who are not in your group. So not people who are sitting next to you, not your roommates, not your best friend. Try to remember their answers. You can write down the answers if you want, but try to remember them. And when you're finished, we'll talk about your answers. So, for this part, if you want, you can stand up and talk to people around the room. We're gonna take about 4 minutes for this. So if you ask someone, they ask someone.